Hello ma'am, my name is Shubham Singh Sikawar with my group members Sakshi Gupta, Prajal Jain and Rahul Singhal. Today we are here for the presentation and our topic is draft and advertisement for the creative head of automobile. The first question is raised, what is automobile? Automobile is a technical word used for wheels and an engine. Example, truck, car. The second question is what is automobile industries? These industries deals with selling and the purchase of the automobiles, and it also deals with the farm equipment. It can be used as it can be example like threshers.
So here is our next topic, the creative head. Firstly, we will understand the definitions of creative head. Creative head normally or basically is an advertising head which work on the branding campaigns through a different range of medium such as films, digital, animations and apps, etc. They lead a team comprising the directors, art directors, copywriters and designers, and they conceive the project they receive. They sometimes work also on the product, packaging and location designs of the company and the departments of the advertising and marketing. So here are some responsibilities of the creative heads which he performs in the department or the company. First, he is responsible for creating or building a creative environment in the department for the team, so they should work in a creative environment, and he supervises the projects and ideas of the companies. Second, he is responsible for creative philosophies and the standard output of the organization or the across the department. Third one is he develops the advertising strategies and promotes the product or the brand in the market according to increase the profit of the organization.
So now we are talking about job description. Job description is an informative documentation of the scope, duties, taxes, responsibilities and working condition. Job description also detail of the skills and qualification required for an individual for the job need to be possessed. So now we are talking about job specification. Job specification defines the knowledge, skills, ability that are required to perform a job in an organization. Job specification cover aspects like working experience, education and managerial skills.
So now we will be discussing about the job advertisement. Job advertisement is like an announcement for the people who need job. It shows the availability of the job. There are many employees who use job advertisement as a request to get application from the public, and there are many job advertisement which have basic time limits, and the employee or person who want to apply for it have to apply in that time only. So there are various tools which can be used to advertise about a job. First one is online portal jobs. There are many sites which post about the job availability like LinkedIn, Monster, Internshala. And second one is you can get information through the newspaper. At the back side of the newspaper you can see there are various advertisement of different companies. You can select any one of them and can apply for it. So third one is the social media. Even in Facebook or WhatsApp you can come to know about the job availability by the company. So on the previous slide we have seen that there is an advertisement of a hero company. There they ask for the person as a position for the creative head, and the qualities that they mention they want are the person should be good at communication, should have experience in marketing and advertisement field, and the interested person can give their details on the given website.
So this is an example of a social media advertising where we have taken an example of a hero company which is advertising on the social media for the job recruitment of creative head, as they are looking for the creative head for their company. In this advertisement they have given a beautiful picture which is having a vacant chair and having a logo, we are hiring, and on the next side of the advertising they are having a subtitles on which they have written, we are looking for a creative head to join our busy team, and one link is given so that the candidate should collect the information about the company or the job specifications and the descriptions of the jobs and the responsibilities and the roles of.
We are living in a world of technology. Everyone needs jobs here. So what is job portals? Job portals is a website specifically deals with employment and career.
So here is the employee application form where you have to fill your personal detail like name, contact, address, alternative address, qualification, and if you have any working experience you have to mention as well. Thank you.